I've got a Pittsburg mini tire changer here, and I had a little issue with this threaded rod here. Well, I'm gonna show you how to replace that. And this thing works great for lawnmower tires, by the way, but I work on and repair lawnmowers, ATVs, stuff like that, and I'm constantly using this. And I had an issue where after a couple months of usage, this is the old rod here, it stripped out. It's kind of hard to see, but the thread stripped on it, and I was no longer able to use this this rod. So I went on Amazon and I found these threaded rods. They're M16, by the way, and you get you one of these couplers, M16 couplers, and you can actually take this rod out. If you use a pipe wrench, it'll screw right out of there. And what I did, now these are shorter, by the way. I couldn't find a rod long enough to replace this rod, but I took it out and I cut the rod off just short to where there's a little bit, about that much, sticking off. And then I put this on the bottom piece and then welded this to the rod that goes down in there, threads down in the base of this. And then you can take this and screw that in the rest of the way, and that'll give you an easy replacement rod for when you need to. I just threaded that back in there, put some Loctite in there, and it's good to go. So you can get these rods on Amazon or eBay, and the couplers, and they're an M16 threaded rod.